Hello students, your topic for today is legal maxims and foreign legal terms. So legal maxim is an established principle or proposition of law or a legal policy usually stated in a Latin form. Most of these Latin maxims originated from the medieval era in the European states that use Latin as their legal language. These principle guides courts all over the world in applying the existing laws in a fair and just manner to enable the courts in deciding issues before it. Such principles don't have the authority of law, but when courts apply the maxims in deciding issues of law or the legislature incorporates such maxims while framing laws, they take the form of law and form the basis of sound judgments. So these are few examples of legal maxims, the foreign legal terms like ab initio, that means starting from the very beginning. Actus reus, that means the act or acts that constitute the physical elements of crime. Ordo alterum partem, this means the principle that nobody should be judged by a court without being heard. This Latin phrase means listen to the other side. Bona fides, so the evidence or proof that someone has sincere feelings or is who they claim to be. Consensus ad idem, agreement between the parties of a contract that they understand the meaning of the contract and want to enter into it. This Latin phrase literally means agreement to same thing. De jure, legally accepted. Now, Dolly Capix, old enough and having the mental capacity to be legally responsible for committing a crime. Dolly in Capix, not old enough for having the mental capacity to be legally responsible for committing a crime. Adjustum generis rule, a rule used in statutory interpretation that allows judges to interpret a group of words in a law or other text in a way that is less general than their meaning in everyday speech. Ex parte, without all parties to a case being present in the court or aware of hearing. Ex parte is sometimes referred to as without notice. Ex post facto law, a law that changes the consequences of actions that occurred before the law existed. For example, making illegal an action that was legal at the time it was committed. Force majeure, an unexpected event that stops you doing something that you promised to do in a contract. In rem, relating to rights in an object or property as opposed to rights in a person. Inter vivus, done while alive. Intra virus, within someone's legal power or authority. Locus standi, the right of a person to be a party in a legal case because it affects them sufficiently. Mens rea, the state of mind of a person at the time they commit a criminal offense. Mutatis mutandis, with the necessary changes having been made used in legal documents to show that rest of the document remains unchanged and only the necessary changes have been made. Orbital dictum, a persuasive but not binding comment or reason given by a judge in his or her decision. Pro bono, done without the usual payment that a lawyer charges. Ratio dissendia, the main reason or reasons contained in a judge's decision. Ultra vires, beyond or exceeding someone's legal power or authority. Voluntary non-fit injury, a defense in a legal dispute that means that if a person voluntarily accepted a risk, then their claim should not succeed. This is sometimes shortened to voluntary. Thank you.